A pattern interrupt is designed to give you like a brain hiccup. So, for example, what was the first pattern interrupt that I used to get everybody's attention to start the keynote? So if you're listening, hands in the air. So I use the kinesthetic cue, I use the visual cue, and I use an auditory cue. Because with kids, figuring out a way how to get their attention is half the challenge. How many of you have ever done this? Joey, 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 Joey. Who here has ever repeated a child's name more than once? What is that? The definition of doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result? That's called insanity. And here's the crazy part. So remember we talked about automatic programs that run us? Like, you know, one of them is this. How many have ever said to one of your kids, "Are you being a good listener? Do you have your listening ears on?" How many of you have ever told one of your kids, "You're not listening"? And they look at you with confusion because they're listening all the time. How many of you are thinking about your husbands or boyfriends or both, whatever, have a party, live life, you get one, right? Okay, but think about it, wives, whatever. Think about it. You're not being a good listener, and the kid looks at you, it's like, "I just heard you. You just said, I'm not being a good listener. Do you have your listening ears on?" "Yes, I do. I just heard you." They're always listening. They're just choosing not to follow your directions. The problem is that we've been taught as adults the way that we communicate is the absolute right way, and if the kid doesn't understand it, it's somehow the kid's fault. But we need to communicate clearer if we want these kids to pay attention. Some of you say to your kids, "Oh, he's not listening." But if you have one of those tall mirrors, every time you say his name, "Joey, Joey, 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 Joe," and he's waiting for the vein on your forehead to start. So instead of doing the same thing over and over, I do pattern interrupts to get the attention of the kids. If you walked into your classroom and all of a sudden everybody started singing, "Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream." Why'd you sing? See, we want to. That's the thing, sing a song. Sometimes when I want to get my kids' attention, I change my voice. I do accents. I'm not sure if this is like Irish or Scottish. I don't know. I tell the kids, "Get in my belly." They mostly laugh, one runs. I don't know why he does that, but it's okay. How many of you do voices or accents in your classrooms? Okay, just checking. All right, right? Now here's the thing. The best pattern interrupt that works are animal noises. And here's the thing. I'm going to offer you an opportunity to try some. I'm going to be quiet now so the voice in your head can start talking to you. "Oh, I'm not going to try. It's not going to do it. Blah, 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 blah." Do you know what I mean by that voice in your head? Yeah, that one right there. What's he talking about? Why he's doing this? How come there's no dairy? Blah, blah, blah. What's with the hair? What's with the outfit? I'm freezing. Why is he sweating? Blah, blah, blah. How come that person hasn't texted me back? Blah, 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 blah. It's going all the time. So a pattern interrupt that I use are animal noises. I mean, easy ones. You can do like, I don't know, chicken sound. Bark, bark, bark. But I was actually teaching yogarati, and one of the kids, we were doing elephant walks. And one of the kids actually said to me, I went like this, I went, because we were doing it on our feet and one hand so I could teach him how to balance. And I had a 3-year-old look at me and goes, "That sucked." Anybody have a kid just totally just blow your spot, like right in front of all the other kids, and then the cool kid, the alpha king and the alpha queen, she's like, "What do you got something back on that?" So he actually said, "You know, that sucked." And you know what I thought about it? It did. So I went on YouTube, and YouTube you can actually learn everything. And I typed in how to make an elephant noise. And I was taught to make an elephant noise, you pull your lips in, you took your dentures out, and then you press your lips down, and then as hard as you can, you blow air out. Now, I offer you an invitation to do an elephant noise. Now, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. You pull your lips in, you press down, and you breathe out. Now, we're gonna do it 2 times. Why? The first time, some people are gonna do it, especially the person, if you've never done it before, what's gonna happen is you're gonna have this overwhelming feeling of joy and happiness. Your face will turn colors and you're gonna laugh. Then there's gonna be the person that's standing next to you or a little away from you who's already decided they're not doing it. They're gonna see your joy and happiness and they're gonna look at you like this. My question is to that person that's not gonna try it, how's it been working and how does it benefit you? All right? So let's try it. Pull your lips in, breathe in. So now I see people smiling, I see people laughing, and then I see. So I'll give you one more opportunity. One more opportunity to try it. By the way, if you're a person that doesn't like to try new things, how's that working? We let our mind get in the way of so many things. Who here likes pizza? Raise your hand. Who likes pineapple? Raise your hand. Who likes pizza and pineapple, has never eaten pineapple pizza, but you know you don't like it? How does that make sense? Your mind doesn't have taste buds. Here you go, ready? There you go, I heard someone pattern interrupting me. I heard an elephant noise. Who here likes coffee? Who likes honey? Who here has never tried honey in your coffee and you know you don't like it? How does that make sense? And now your mind is actually going to try to justify it. Oh, no, it does because I know. And I know that I know, and my friends know that I know, and my friends know that I know that I know, and I'm always right, and that benefits me. No one likes me, but that benefits me, so that's fine. So what we're going to do is let's try one more elephant noise. If you've never done it before, and you're a person that doesn't like to try new things, see, like worst case scenario, you had pineapple pizza in front of you. You had a bottle of water, some mint, some gum. You taste the pizza. It's disgusting. You spit it out, you rinse out, you put the mints. How long did you have that horrible sensation? 3 seconds, 5 seconds. You never have to do it again. But what if it's the best thing that you've ever tasted in your life? Now you have something for the rest of your life. So what stops you in life is what's going to stop you. So if you're being stopped right now by just trying an elephant noise because of whatever, how's it working? How's it benefiting you? And if you do it today, there will be something in your life that you want to try. You'll stop yourself from doing it. And then you'll remember, I did the elephant noise, I can do this. Does that make sense? I mean, listen, this is only your happiness and joy in your life. So feel free to try it or not. It's totally up to you. So ready, everybody? Breathe in, pull your lips in. How'd it go? All right, give yourself a round of applause for just even trying it.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.